What is it, Max?
You take it. There. Okay.
What'd you get?
See, Mimo didn't forget. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Ready? Open it?
What do you
Come
say?
here, give me a hug. Give me a hug.
I'm not going to keep my eyes on
I
that.
keep my eye on that.
Max, you better give her a kiss. Say thank you.
Give me my kiss.
Oh, boy.
Big chocolate kisses. Max, why did you get that? You ate all your dinner? You ate all your lunch?
You ate it all.
That's called a bribe.
Yes. And we are okay with it. All right.
Yeah. See,
That's a
Mimo's
candy
gonna
bar
be known
just
for that.
your
When
size.
Mimo's around.
That's a candy bar just your size.
Yeah, he ate some of them the other day already.
Boy.
Yeah.
That's when he ate everything up at the restaurant that day, boy. He ate everything.
Get my fingers out of the way.
He likes chocolates. So
Is that it? It's all gone? One little piece.
yeah,
Yay.
little bit in there yet.
Oh.
Little bit in there yet.